The bedside table, often overlooked in the grand scheme of home decor, plays a crucial role in modern interior design. It serves not only as a functional piece of furniture, but also as an essential element that contributes to the overall aesthetic and atmosphere of a bedroom. In contemporary design, where minimalism and functionality reign supreme, the bedside table has evolved into a canvas for personal expression and creativity, fostering a deeper connection between the occupant and their living space. At its core, the bedside table is a practical necessity. It provides a convenient surface for essential items such as lamps, books, glasses, and personal effects. However, in modern interior design, its function extends far beyond mere utility. The bedside table can be a reflection of one's style, personality, and lifestyle choices. This transition from functionality to a statement piece is what makes bedside tables significant in modern decor. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content. Today we will show you a collection of best bedside table design ideas for modern interior home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. The design of a bedside table can set the tone for the entire bedroom. In a minimalist space, a sleek, simple table made of natural materials like wood or metal can contribute to a calming environment. The clean lines and unobtrusive design allow for a sense of peace, aligning with the minimalist philosophy of less is more. Conversely, in a more eclectic room, a vintage or artisanal bedside table can introduce character and warmth, making the space feel lived in and personal. This ability to adapt to various design styles illustrates the versatility of bedside tables as decor elements. Moreover, bedside tables can serve as focal points that draw the eye and evoke emotion. A beautifully crafted piece, perhaps with intricate details or an unusual shape, can become a conversation starter. It can showcase quality craftsmanship and reflect the owner's appreciation for artistry. In this way, bedside tables transcend their functional role. They become a part of the narrative of the room, inviting visitors to engage with the space on a deeper level. The emotional connection to a bedside table often comes from what it holds. It is a space that houses personal items, books that inspire, photographs that evoke memories, or mementos from travels. These elements contribute to a narrative that is unique to the individual, creating a sense of intimacy within the bedroom. The bedside table becomes a small altar of personal history, reflecting the lives and stories of those who inhabit the space. This connection is particularly significant in modern interiors, where the focus is increasingly on creating environments that resonate with personal experiences. In addition to personal items, the arrangement of decor on a bedside table can also influence the atmosphere of the bedroom. Thoughtfully curated objects, such as a well-placed lamp, a favorite book, or even a small plant, can create a harmonious balance that enhances the overall vibe of the room. The interplay of textures and colors on the bedside table can contribute to a cohesive design scheme, adding layers of interest without overwhelming the senses. This careful curation allows homeowners to express their creativity and establish a mood that aligns with their lifestyle. The integration of technology in modern bedroom design further emphasizes the evolving role of the bedside table. With the rise of smart devices, many people now use their bedside tables to charge phones, tablets, and other gadgets. This practical need has led to innovative designs that incorporate charging stations or built-in USB ports, blending functionality with style. However, this technological integration also raises questions about the balance between modern convenience and the desire for tranquility in the bedroom. The bedside table, in this context, becomes a battleground between the digital world and the need for a serene, restful environment. To address this, many designers advocate for the mindful placement of technology in bedroom spaces. By incorporating decorative elements that soften the presence of gadgets, such as decorative trays for holding devices or stylish boxes for hiding cords, the bedside table can maintain its role as a peaceful sanctuary. This approach highlights the importance of intentional design, where each element is chosen not only for its functionality, but also for its contribution to the overall ambience of the room. The material choices for bedside tables also play a crucial role in shaping their connection to modern interior decor. Natural materials like wood, metal, and stone evoke a sense of timelessness and authenticity. A reclaimed wood bedside table, for example, can add a rustic charm to a contemporary space, bridging the gap between old and new. This blending of materials speaks to a larger trend in modern design that values sustainability and craftsmanship. By choosing pieces that reflect a commitment to quality and environmental responsibility, homeowners can create spaces that are not only beautiful, but also meaningful. In contrast, the use of synthetic materials can create a different atmosphere. For instance, high-gloss finishes or acrylic designs can lend a modern, sleek look that complements minimalist spaces. However, these materials may lack the warmth and character associated with natural wood or handcrafted pieces. This distinction emphasizes the importance of personal preference in selecting bedside tables that resonate with one's individual style and the desired ambience of the bedroom. The height and scale of a bedside table are also significant factors in its contribution to modern decor. A well-proportioned table can enhance the functionality of the space while ensuring that it complements the overall design. For example, a tall bedside table may work well in a room with high ceilings, drawing the eye upward and creating a sense of verticality. Conversely, a lower table may be more suitable for a cozy, intimate setting. This consideration of scale highlights the thoughtful approach that characterizes modern interior design, where each piece is chosen to create a harmonious balance within the space. Ultimately, the relationship between bedside tables and modern interior decor is multifaceted. These pieces serve as functional essentials while also offering a platform for personal expression and creativity. They can reflect individual style, house meaningful items, and influence the overall ambience of the bedroom. As modern design continues to evolve, the bedside table remains a vital element, bridging the gap between functionality and aesthetics. In the deeper connection of bedside tables in modern interior decor goes beyond their practical use. They embody a blend of style, functionality, and personal expression, enhancing the atmosphere of the bedroom while fostering intimacy and connection. As we navigate the complexities of contemporary living, the bedside table stands as a testament to the importance of thoughtful design and the impact of small, meaningful details in creating spaces that resonate with our lives. By choosing and curating these pieces with intention, we can transform our bedrooms into sanctuaries that reflect our values and aspirations. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked best bedside tables design ideas for modern interior home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.